Okay, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the international webinar event. We are of navigating the future and managing the technology and innovation in information technology. First, let me introduce myself. I'm Novita and I will be host you for the event. Now, let me welcome our special guest today. Welcome to the Honorable Dr. Teguh Santoso, as a Rector of STEKOM University Indonesia. And first speaker, Ms. Aftuqa Sholikatur Rohmania, M.M., as a Head of Department Management from STEKOM University Indonesia. And the second speaker, Ms. Fanny Chatola, as a lecturer in computer science and technology from DMIJSBU University Malawi. And the last speaker to the Honorable Mr. Dhivakar, as a technical leader from Hebesec Technology, India and Malaysia. And last but not least, also to the Honorable guests and audience today. Okay, before we begin, I have a few housekeeping notes here. Today's session is being live streamed on the Universitas STEKOM YouTube channel. And now I will read our agenda for this afternoon. First, we will start with Indonesian national anthems and continue with the opening speech by Dr. Teguh Santoso. And continue with the Q&A session after our presentation already presentation and time for documentation and mass time is closing. So first we will sing our national anthems for the Mr. Abdullah. You can start this session today. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Next, we will invite the most responsible person to the stake to conduct this skill international event for given opening speech. Yeah, Dr. Teguh Santoso, the time is yours. Thank you.
Yes, thank you, Ms. Novita. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, the honorable our speakers. Welcome to join this international webinars. Our honorable speaker, Ms. Fanny Chatola, lecturer in computer science and technology, MI St. John's Baptist University, Malawi. And thanks to Mr. Dhivakar, Technical Lead, Hebesec Technologies, India and Malaysia, and Ms. Aftuqa, Sholikatur, Rohmania, M.M., Head of Management Department, STEKOM University, Indonesia. And it is a great honor to be here today to discuss topic that shapes our words in profound and unprecedented ways, navigating the future, emerging trends and innovations in information technology. In an era where technology is not just a tool, but a driving force behind societal transformation, understanding these trends is essential for anyone looking to thrive in the future. First is artificial intelligence, and I think it's machine learning. And one of the most significant trends in information technology is the rise of artificial intelligence and machine learning. AI is no longer a futuristic concept confined to science fiction. It is really influencing various sectors from healthcare and finance to entertainment and education. And also machine learning algorithms are enabling system to learn from data, make predictions, and improve over time without explicit programming. In healthcare, AI-powered diagnosis tools are revolutionizing patient care by providing accurate and early diagnosis. In finance, AI algorithms analyze vast amount of data to detect fraudulent activities and make informed investment decisions. And AI also continues to evolve. Its application will expand, leading to smarter cities, more efficient industries, and enhanced personal experience. And second is about, I think it's about quantum technology. And like quantum computers can exist in multiple states simultaneously. So the capability allows quantum computers to solve make a big complex problem with very fast speed that unimaginable with the current technologies. And also the Internet of Things, or IoT. Almost every day we hear the advertising of the smart device, that the smart device connected to the internet and enabling them to collect and exchange data from smart home equipment till the appliances, industrials, IoT optimizing many processes, which is enhancing efficiency, convenience, and productivity. And also in agriculture, IoT also makes the many automatization, for example, to check the soil condition and weather and crop health, and so the farmers can make decision which is improved decision. And also is after IoT is about blockchain technology. It is very popular that we know that like cryptocurrencies gaining traction across industries due its ability to provide secure, transparent, and privacy transaction. And also in cyber securities, the advancement of the technologies makes us need to have a deeper understanding about the importance of cyber securities. It means that the frequency and the probability of cyber attack and the need for protecting something sensitive information and the need of maintaining the integrity of system is very important. And it is also use AI to detect and respond to the threats in real time. And so there is become the safeguard for many stakeholders that almost every users connected with this kind of technology is become a basic common needs that that every industry need and to know about this cyber security. So maybe there's others things that about the future information technologies and others that we can discuss after this by our speakers. And of course, we need to shaping our knowledge and collaborate to create good innovation to develop our knowledge and to become advanced to knowing about these future technologies. However, with the great power comes great responsibility. As we harness these technologies, we must remain vigilant in addressing the challenge, particularly in the realm of cybersecurity. Finally, let us embrace these innovations with an open mind and a protective approach, ensuring that we leverage their potential to create a better world for future generations. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you very much for the introduction of Professor Santoso. And we will go to the main event. For our audience, if you have any question for the speaker, please add them to the chat. You can raise your hand. And today's session, each presenter will have about 30 minutes for the presentation. Now let me welcome our first first presenter, Ms. Aftuqa Sholikatur Rohmania, as the head of management department from STEKOM University Indonesia. For Ms. Aftuqa, the term is yours. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Novita. Ya, bisa dilihat ya, Nov.
Sudah, Bu. Sudah.
Okay, hello everyone. My name is Aftuqa Sholikatur Rohmania. As a lecturer of STEKOM University, thank you for the opportunity given to me. Thank you, the counselor of the STEKOM University, Dr. Teguh Santoso, all the great speaker of today, and of course, all the audience of today webinar. Right. Okay, everyone. My academic and professional background has provided me with a deep understanding of the challenge and opportunity in this digital transformation present, especially in the financial sector. The purpose of today's presentation is to explore the concept of digital transformation in financial institution. We will delve into the various way technology is revolutionizing the financial industry, from improving customer experience to enhancing operational efficiency. We will also discuss the potential risks and challenges that come with this transformation and how institution can fully manage them. By the now decision, I have you will have a better understanding of how digital transformation is shaping the future of financial institution and the steps that can be taken to navigate this evolving landscape successfully. Thank you enough again for being here, and I look forward to an engaging and informative discussion. Okay, digital transformation is the integration of digital technology into all area of business, fundamentally changing how operations are conducted and delivering new value to customer. Firstly, digital transformation significantly enhance operational efficiency through technology such as robotic process automation and artificial intelligence. Routine text or automatic rejection error and liberating valuable human resource for more strategic and force. Workflow optimization ensure seamless coordination across department, will real-time analytic empower effective resource management, optimizing both workforce and financial assets. Secondly, digital transformation open door to new market. Graphical boundaries diminish as online and mobile banking platform connect use with customer in preferably incasable region. Data analytic relevant our ability to segment market, enabling thought strategy that resonate deeply with diverse customer segment. Moreover, innovative business model like fintech service and peer-to-peer lending platform emerge, expanding our customer base and enriching our service offering. Thirdly, as a customer's experience lies at the heart of digital transformation. Personalized service driven by robots, data analytics allow you to anticipate and fulfill individual customer needs with precision. Access to financial service become more seamless talk anti-mobile apps and responsive website. Will technology like IE power, chatbots, and search suite and effective customer interaction, elevating elevating satisfaction and fostering long-term loyalty. And lastly, digital transformation, power improvement, decision making, predictive analytic powered by artificial intelligence and machine learning offer insight into market trend and customer behavior, enable use to anticipate, shift, and proactively respond. Data-driven decision-making become the norm, bolstered by real-time information that and strategic planning and risk management compatibility, ensuring we navigate in certain with confidence. And inclusion, digital transformation is not just about adopting new technology, it's about reshaping our approach to banking and finance, enhancing efficiency, expanding our reach, enriching customer interaction, enable smart discussion, embracing this change is not merely beneficial but imperative for staying competitive in increasing dynamical industry landscape. And next, key driver of digital transformation, customer expectation. Customer demand face accessible and personal service. Many customers now prefer using digital channel for their banking needs. Example, mobile banking apps providing personalized feature. Technology advancement. Technology advancement in areas such as artificial intelligence, blockchain, big data, and cloud computing are progressing rapidly. Fintech company are making with innovative solutions that challenge traditional banking methods. For example, artificial intelligence is used for data analysis and providing personalization service, enhancing the overall customer experience. Number 3, competitive pressure. There is intense competition between traditional bank and fintech startup. Innovation is necessary for this institution to stay competitive and relevant in the market. Traditional banks are adopting fintech technology to improve their service and keep up with the dynamic market landscape. An example is the integration at advanced fintech solution by traditional bank to enhance their service offerings. And last, regulatory change. New regulation like the information and electronic transaction law and regulation by Bank Indonesia require compliance. This regulation emphasizes transparency and security, ensuring that financial institutions protect customer data and maintains trust and explain of disease. The implementation of strength data security policy to comply with this new regulation. Okay, core component of digital transformation, customer experience. The core of digital transformation lies in enhancing customer experience, providing a seamless omni-channel experience is crucial, as it allows customer to interact with the bank through various channels such as mobile apps, website, and physical branches without any friction. Adding data analytic to operational service is another key aspect. By analyzing customer data, bank can offer tailored recommendation and service that meet individual needs. For example, artificial intelligence chatbot are now being used to offer 24 or 7 customer service, encouraging that customer receive instant support and answer to their request at any time on the day or night. And operating efficiency, improving operational efficiency is a significant goals of digital transformation. This can be achieved by automating research tasks using technology like artificial intelligence and robotic process automation. Automation help is streaming workforce, reducing operational costs, and freeing up human resources for more strategic tasks. For instance, automatic audit process can speed up a loan approval, making it more convenient for customer and reducing the processing time significantly. Data analytics leveraging big data is usually for making better business decision. By harnessing the power of data analytics, bank can gain an insight into customer behavior, market trend, and operational performance. Predictive analytics in particular can be used for risk management and to again deeper customer insight. For example, predictive analytics can identify credit risk by analyzing various data points, helping bank to make informed lending decision and minimize potential loss. And cybersecurity as digital transformation process, enhancing cybersecurity measure become increasingly important. Protecting against cyber threat involves investing in secure infrastructure and conducting regular security audit to identify and address vulnerability. An example of this implementing end the data encryption, which ensure that all transaction are secure and customer data is protected from terrorist access. This will customer trust and complies with regular recruitment. And agile and adult practice. Adopting agile methodology is critical for accelerating project delivery and responding to market change quickly. Agile practice improves collaboration, flexibility, and iterative progress, which are essentially in the fast space digital landscape. Additional continue regression and continue delivery practice user more efficiency software development and development. For example, using agile method in mobile banking apps development allow for frequent update and improvement, using that the apps remain competitive and user friendly. Okay, next challenge in digital transformation, legacy system, integrating new technology with all system can be difficult because and complexity and updating all system. For example, bank style use of mainframe, data privacy and security, use ensuring compliance with data protection regulation, balance the use of customer data with maintaining their privacy. For example, complying with peraturan otoritas jasa keuangan or OJK tentang perlindungan konsumen sektor jasa keuangan customer data and culture checks. There is resistance to change within organization. The needs for skill development and training to handle these changes. For example, training program for employee on new technology, regulatory compliance, constantly changing regulation, ensuring compliance with just enabling innovation. For example, implementing system to monitoring regulator compliance. Future trends. In the artificial intelligence and mechanics learning are set to revolutionize the banking sector with advanced analytics for personalized banking. This technology enable bank to analyze vast amount of data to afford tailored financial advice and service to individual customer. Artificial intelligence is also transforming customer service to chatbots and virtual assistant, providing instant support and assessing customer satisfaction. The prediction is that there will be an increased adoption of artificial intelligence for more personalized and efficient service, making banking more accessible and user-friendly. Blockchain and cryptocurrency. Blockchain technology is being increasingly used for secure and transparent transaction, reducing the risk of fraud and enhancing trust in the digital transaction. The adopting of cryptocurrency, the digital asset is also on the rise, offering new opportunity for investment and financial management. And the prediction is that blockchain technology will see increased adoption in first banking aspect, from secure payment system to identity verification and beyond, transforming the way financial transactions are conducted. Open banking is fostering collaboration with fintech company Talk Open AP, leading to increased communication and innovation in financial service. This model allows third-party developer to build new application or service around the financial institution, providing customer with our choice and better service. The prediction is the open banking will become the industry standard for collaboration and innovation, driving the development of new financial product and service that meet the evolving needs of customers. And quantum computing holds the potential for breakthrough innovation in data processing and security. Its ability to perform complex calculation and predict speed application of quantum computing various area include risk analysis, fraud detection, and cryptography. The prediction is the quantum computing will revolutionize data analysis and security in bank, offering new level of efficiency and protection against cyber threats. In conclusion, digital transformation is crucial for financial institution to stay competitive, meet customer expectation, and enhance operational efficiency. Real world explain have so how digital transformation can bring about positive change, can to action like can to action, let's adopt innovation, invest in technology, and foster a tech culture of continued improvement to success in this digital transformation journey. And this question, thank you for your attention. Now I will open the floor for question and discussion. Please feel free to ask any question for answer your talk on this topic. And thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Miss Aftuqa. And we have question from participant in the Zoom. We have two question. Ya, untuk pertanyaannya udah ditulis di Zoom chat juga, Bu. Untuk first question, we have question from Miss Trisna. How can financial institution address the challenge of integrating new technology with legacy system? And then the second question, why is cybersecurity a critical component of digital transformation in financial institution? Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Novita. Question number one, how can financial institution address the challenge of integrating new technology with legacy system, and where financial institution can address the challenge of integrating new technology with legacy system by adopting a phased approach to modernization. This can involve using middleware solution to bring all a new system, gradually migrating a critical function to modern platform, and implementing microservice architecture and enable grading accessibility. And additionally, investing in training and development for IT staff ensure they have the skill needs to manage and integrate new technology effectively. And question number two, why is cybersecurity a critical component of digital transformation in financial institution? And answer, cybersecurity is a critical component of digital transformation because financial institutions handle sensitive customer data and financial transaction, making them target for cyber attacks. Enhancing cybersecurity measure protects against threats such as data breach, fraud, and hacking. Investing in security infrastructure, conducting regulating security audit, and implementing advanced security protocol like end-to-end encryption are essential to safeguard customer information and maintain trust. And thank you.
Okay, thank you so much for Ms. Aftuqa for your presentation. And then we will go to the second speaker, Ms. Fanny Chatola, as a lecturer in computer science and technology, from DMIJSBU, John the Baptist University, Malawi. Yeah, for Miss Fanny, the time is yours. Thank you.
Thank you very much for the opportunity. So my presentation much would dwell on the three agendas, which is we're going to see the overview. We're going to see the overview of information technology, the emerging trends and innovations in information technology, as well as the importance of staying updated in these IT trends. So first of all, let's understand what is information technology. So information technology, this is the use of computers, software, networks, and other digital infrastructure to store, process, transmit, and retrieve information electronically. So this is about information technology. So information technology also play a role in the modern of business as well as societies with various domains. These domains, for example, business operations. So business operations, IT enables automation of processes which are automated, as well as improving the efficiency, as well as the reducing what of cost. It also supports the financials, the functions like accounting, inventory management, customer relationship management, as well as human resources. Another domain is communication. Information technologies facilitate instant global communication through email, messaging applications, video conferencing, and social media platforms. This also enhances collaboration among individuals and organizations worldwide. Another domain is data management. So information technologies, it manages a vast of amounts of data, as well as enabling businesses to analyze.
Yeah, you can continue, Miss.
Okay. Yeah, I'm saying data management. So information technologies, it manages a vast of data, enabling businesses to analyze trends, make informed decisions, and personalize customer experiences. And also data storage, retrieval, as well as security are essential in information technology functions. Another domain is e-commerce. So e-commerce, so the IT, it underpins online retail and electronic transactions. So it enables businesses to reach global markets, as well as to operate virtual storefronts, processing payments securely, as well as to track customer preferences. Information technology, another domain is innovation and research. So in IT, it drives innovation across industries through research and development. Technologies such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, as well as the Internet of Things, these are transforming sectors like healthcare, transportation, as well as finances. Another domain is security. Information technology also plays a crucial role in safeguarding digital assets and privacy. It also involves measures like encryption, file protection, and cybersecurity protocols to defend against cyber threats and data breaches. The internet, the information technology also provides the education as well as training. So it supports modern education with online learning platforms, as we are doing right now, visual classrooms, education applications. It also facilitates long life learning and skill development. It also makes education more accessible and flexible. Another domain is entertainment. Information technology, it delivers digital entertainment through streaming services, gaming platforms, and social media. It shapes cultural trends and enhances racial experiences globally. So the last one is global connectivity. So information technology, it acts as the bridge, geographical gap, where it connects people and businesses worldwide. It facilitates cross-border trade, cultural exchange, as well as diplomatic relations. So in summary, you can say this information technology is an integral to the functioning of modern businesses and society by enabling efficiency, innovation, global connectivity, and security across various sectors. And its continuous evolution drives technological advancements and shapes the way individuals and organizations, as well as government, interact and operate in the digital age. So I'm also going to talk about the emerging trends and innovation in information technology. So we have different kinds of trends and innovation in these modern technologies, which helps in different sectors, as I've already explained in the domains of information technology. So the first one is artificial intelligence and machine learning. So artificial intelligence, this simply means the simulation of intelligence in machines that are programmed to think and learn or to act as what? As humans. So we also have a machine learning, which acts as the subset of what? Artificial intelligence. So this machine learning, it involves the development of algorithms that allow computers to learn from and make predictions and decisions based on data. So what are the applications of this artificial intelligence and machine learning? So artificial intelligence and machine learning are being applied across various sectors, including healthcare, whereby they diagnose patients as well as personalized medicine. AI and machine learning can also be used in finance for fraud detection, as well as algorithm trading. It can also be used in customer services. For example, chatbots, visual assistants, which help different customers, different platforms, whenever they want to use it. Another application is autonomous systems. So nowadays we have self-driven cars, as well as have drones, which use this artificial intelligence and machine learning. Then another trend is Internet of Things. So Internet of Things is also one of the trends and innovation in information technology. So IoT, this refers to the network of physical devices, vehicles, appliances, and other items embedded with what? With sensors, software, and connectivity that enables them to connect and exchange data over the internet. So IoT has also become one of the trends and innovative information technology, where nowadays you can see devices, they can talk to each other, sending connect to each other by exchanging information or data over the internet. So the application for the IoT is transforming industries such as manufacturing, where it predicts maintenance as well as smart factories. Another application is healthcare, where we have remote patient monitoring systems. We have wearable devices where you can detect the temperature, the humidity, or the heart rate of a person. Then we also have agriculture, where we have precision farming, we have smart irrigation, and also we have smart cities, where we have traffic management as well as energy efficiency. Then another trend is edge computing. So edge computing, this is the decentralized and distributed digital ledger technology that records transition across multiple computers in a way that is secure and transparent and resistant to modification. So this blockchain technology is very important in the ICT technologies. So the application of this, excuse me. The blockchain edge computing. So edge computing involves the processing data near the edge of the network, where the data is generated rather than relying on the centralized data centers. So by having this, it reduces the redundancy as well as improves the real-time processing. So what are the applications of edge computing? So edge computing, it supports IoT devices. For example, local data processing. It also helps in autonomous vehicles, where it provides real-time decision making. It also provides industrial automations, where it predicts the maintenance of the devices. It can also be used in healthcare, where we can have wearable health devices, where you can check the temperature of the patient or the heart rate of the patient and the condition of the patient. Then we have 5G technology. So the 5G technology, this is the edge computing, which involves the processing data near the edge of the network. It is the fifth generation of wireless technology for cellular networks. So this one, it offers a significantly faster speeds, lower latency, as well as a greater capacity compared to its predecessors like the 3G or the 4G light. So what is the application of the 5G technology? So the 5G technology, it enables advancements in autonomous vehicles, augmented reality, also have visual reality, as well as remote surgery, smart infrastructure, which uses this 5G and the real-time data analysis. So the 5G technology, this is the fifth generation, where it is the wireless technology for cellular networks. So the speed for this technology is very fast, where it can be used in these visual realities, remote surgeries, smart infrastructures, real-time data analytics, as well as smart infrastructures. Then another technology is cyber security. Cyber security advancement. So cyber security, as you know, nowadays, it plays a crucial role or a big part in the information technology, where it involves the securing of information. So cyber security innovation, it involves the advancement in technologies and practices aimed to protect networks, devices, and other data from cyber threats. So the application of these cyber security innovations, they can include AI-driven threat detection, zero trust security models, biometric authentication, and blockchain-based security solutions. So these technologies, they help our organization to defend against increasingly sophisticated cyber attacks. So cybersecurity innovations, these are very important because they much dwell on the protection of our data, whether they can be in finance, whether it can be in e-commerce. So it plays a big role in securing and safeguarding the data. Then we have quantum computing. So quantum computing, these leverages principles for quantum mechanisms. So to perform calculations at speed exponentially faster than classical computers. And also it also enabling complex problem solving. So the applications of these quantum computing, there is a potential applications like cryptography. So we have unbreakable encryption. We also have drug discovery, where it simulates molecular interactions. We also have optimization problems, where it supply chain logistics and material science by developing new materials. Then the innovation is augmented and visual reality. So augmented reality and visual reality. So the augmented reality, this is the overlays digital information into the real world. So the purpose is enhancing the user's perception of reality. Then we have this visual reality, which creates immersive and computer-generated environment that users can interact with. So application for this augmented reality and visual reality. So the augmented reality can be used in retail for visual try-on, as well as the education for interacting learning experiences. It can also be used in healthcare for surgical training. Then we have the visual reality, where it can be applied in gaming architecture for visual walkthrough, as well as the therapy for treating phobias. Then we have blockchain. So blockchain is also one of the trends and innovation in IC and IT. So blockchain, this is the centralized and distributed digital ledger technology. So that records transaction across multiple computers in a way that it's secure and transparent and resistant to modification. So blockchain is very important, and it's a very secure technology. Whenever trying to use maybe cryptocurrencies, it's very applicable and it is very secureable. So the applications for blockchain applications, we have cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. So blockchain are used for supply chain transparencies, where they can use traceability of goods, as well as financial services for smart contracts, as well as digitalized finance. It can also be used in healthcare for secure patients' records, so that it can be able to trace or to see who is tampering with the information, as well as can also be used in voting systems for transparent as well as tamper-proof elections. Then also have cloud computing evolution. So cloud computing operations, so this is provides on-demand delivery of what cloud computing services such as servers, storage, databases, and networking, as well as software. So this can be done over the internet, offering flexibility, scalability, as well as the cost efficiency. So cloud computing supports digital transformation initiatives, enables remote work capabilities. It also facilitates big data analytics and powers what artificial intelligence and machine learning applications. So trends includes hybrid cloud models, which are used in integrating public and the private clouds, as well as serverless computing. Then the last one is sustainable IT practices. So sustainable IT practices, so it involves the adopting technologies and practices that minimize environmental impact, reduce carbon footprint, and promote responsible use of resources. So sustainable information technologies practices, so it includes energy efficiency data centers or recycling e-waste, using renewable energy resources for computing operations, and designing eco-friendly IT products and services. So these sustainable IT practices can help in these applications. Now, go to the importance of staying updated with IT trends. So it is very important that we stay updated with these ICT trends because it will be very important for us to update our systems and also to be able to compete on the market in different sectors. So staying updated with IT trends is crucial for individuals, businesses, as well as organizations due to several important reasons. So the first one is maintaining competitiveness. So the first importance is maintaining competitiveness. So in today's rapidly evolving technology landscape, businesses that stay updated with IT trends can innovate faster as well as streamline operations. And also they can gain a competitive edge of their peers. They can also adopt new technologies and methodologies that can enhance efficiency as well as reduce cost and improve customer satisfaction. Another importance is adapting to market demands. So consumer preferences and market demands are influenced by technological advancement. So staying updated with IT trends allows businesses to meet these evolving demands by offering relevant products and services. So for instance, the shift towards online shopping to digital payments necessitates it lombards the IT infrastructures and cybersecurity measures. Another importance is enhancing productivity and efficiency. So new IT trends often introduce new tools and systems that automate tasks and improves collaborations and optimize the workflow. So by adopting these innovations, organization can enhance productivity among their workforce, reduce the manual errors, and accelerate decision-making processes. So another important is facilitating innovation. So the IT trends such as artificial intelligence, IoT, blockchain, they open up opportunities for innovation in product development, customer engagement, and business models. So by staying updated, business can identify innovative solutions to challenges, explore new revenue streams and different themselves in the market. Another important is improving security and compliance. So cyber threats involve constantly as well as staying updated with ICT security trends. So it is crucial for safeguarding sensitive data and maintaining regulatory appliances. So by understanding the emerging security risks and implementing proactive measures, so businesses can mitigate threats and protect their reputation. Then we have attracting and retaining talent. So information technology professionals, so they seek opportunities to work with aging technologies and innovative companies. So businesses that stay updated with IT trends are more likely to attract top talent and retain skilled employees by offering opportunities for professional growth and development. Then we have future proofing the businesses. So technologies disruptions can significantly impact industries and businesses models. So by staying updated with IT trends, organizations can anticipate future changes, adapt to new market dynamics, and proactively position themselves for long-term success. Then the last one is the fostering collaboration and communication. So IT trends, they often include advancements in communication and collaboration tools, enabling teams to work efficiently across geographical boundaries. So if you stay relevant, it allows businesses to leverage these tools for seamless communication and knowledge sharing and project management. So in conclusion, these emerging trends and innovation in IT are interconnected and often reinforce each other. So driving rapid technology advancements and shaping the future of businesses, industries, and societies globally. So organizations that embrace these trends, they can leverage them to innovate, improve operation efficiencies, enhance customer experiences, as well as to achieve sustainable growth in the digital age. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much for Miss Fanny. And we have question from two students. First question, we have question from Mr. Abdul. In light of the rapid advancement in artificial intelligence and machine learning, how do you foresee this technology reshaping various industries over the next decade? Could you explain some specific emerging trend and innovation in AI that we should be particularly aware of, and how business might navigate the challenge and opportunity they present? Thank you. The question already read in the room chat also, please.
Okay. Okay, so blockchain technology could boost the global economy through raising levels of tracking, tracing, and trust. So public administration, education, and healthcare sectors, they can benefit the most. So blockchain could have the highest potential net as we going towards. And Okay, so some of the specific of examples of how blockchain is currently, we have financial services which use blockchain to accelerate transaction and speed up close times. So some banks also use the blockchain for contract management and the traceability purposes. For example, we have PayPal, the online payment platform, which launched a blockchain-based service in 2020 that lets users to buy, hold, and sell cryptocurrencies.
Okay, thank you for answering. And then the second question is from Miss Kinan. Already?
Thank you.
Oh, it's already. Okay, yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, and then thank you so much for answering. And then we go to the last speaker, Mr. Dhivakar, as a technical leader as from Hebesec Technology, India and Malaysia. Yeah, for Mr. Dhivakar, the time is yours. Thank you.
Thank you, Novita, and I would like to thank to Dr. Joseph also. Thank you for this opportunity. Okay, I just share my screen. Okay, yeah, it's visible for everyone. Okay. Today is our topic navigating the future emerging trends and innovations in information technology. Yeah, it's a super topic and is our current trend. It's forwarding to the next generation and the next IT trends for the innovations and products and in ITs. Okay, and both speaker, myself, Dhivakar. I'm currently working in a Hebesec Technologies. I'm a technical lead of the Hebesec Technologies. Uh, Myself, I'm a cybersecurity researcher and technical mentor to guiding and mentoring the students and professionals. This is myself. Okay. Business impacts of insights. Why IT trends matter for in IT trends? It's unlocking the future business with the information technology trends. Means we are going to the IT trends matter means we have the force. One is the driving business growth and enhancing the operational efficiency and enabling new business models, maintaining competitive edge. The driving growth is for main mandatory for the business or in IT technologies. The information technology is a trend serve as a catalyst for business growth. Why? Is enabling for the adapt and market demands with the capitalize of the new opportunities and is a driving business growth is for and is improving for the information technology in current IT landscape to the forwarding to the next landscape. Will enhancing operational efficiencies, embracing the IT trends to enhances the operational efficiency for through the automations and streaming process and live rendering and optimization resource allocation. This kind of processes comes under the enhancing the operational efficiencies and enabling new business models for IT trends is a pay for the way of the innovative business. Is for example, the models, the fostering ability and the creativity to stay ahead in a dynamic market landscape. Means is enabling to the new business models means is our current product and innovation for the next products and new products for the information technologies is etc. And maintaining the competitive edge means sustaining the abilities of trends in the crucials for organizations. To situation and the competitive edge, the differentiators the themselves and meet for evolving customers' expectations. Example, few competitive edge means nothing but is the competitive edge the difference and themselves to the corporates. This is how business organization. This is how the IT trends is a matter of information technologies. And it's an industry overview. Current state of the information technologies is our current state for our current state of the information technology and before of the information technology, it's very improved of the current state. I mean, in last year and before year, we doesn't know about the AI, but now we all know about the AI and quantum computing and 5G networks also we are using. So the so many improvements also is our current landscape of the IT is the overview of IT landscapes. Our current IT landscape is so improved and it's very well. I mean, we are using the AI. The AI as a future, we have the AGN and ASN, artificial super intelligence and genetic intelligence. And this IT landscape encompasses the varied array of technologies. For example, having the cloud computing and the artificial intelligence and replacing the how business operators and individuals interact. Yes, we are also having the improved of the cybersecurity also. In previous, we doesn't know about the cybersecurity. That means we are having the cybersecurity means we are securing our applications and our products and applications. So going to the organizations, they're securing the personal informations and the network server and web application. This kind of securing is comes under the cybersecurity domain. Cybersecurity domain is have the so many domains. Example, having the red teams and the blue team. The red team is going to the attack phases and the blue team is comes under the defense space. These all the is the input for our current landscape, IT landscape. These all are the current ITs in uh, products and the cloud computing and technologies in the dominating the market. So the key technologies means having so many technologies, but the familiar technologies means is the such as IoT. IoT is a super technologies for everyone is easily and using for the our remote connections. For example, using the AC and fridge and whatever it is. But we are having the remote connections and it's the easiest for adapting and using the products and and we are using the blockchain also. Blockchain we are using the payment sections. Payment section we are using internet banking. We are using the blockchain means if our transaction is going to secure in the cryptocurrency is also so running on the blockchain. Blockchain technology, the super technology, I mean, is the nodes. Nodes only is the super, and is the nodes is the back nodes and is the erase and nodes is going to the new nodes and creator. It's called the newest network for the blockchain. Is a secure network and cybersecurity solutions. In that the cybersecurity solutions on portrait and evolution industries are the driving innovation. Example, in cybersecurity solution, like previously says, have the so many domains, and cybersecurity solutions also is having the dominating the market. That means there are the so many products also is there in our current trends. Example, if you're going to the attack phases and looting phases, means going to the cybersecurity is having the so many tools. Means examples having the automated tools and the manual tools is also is there and is dominating the key technologies for the cybersecurity and the major players in the IT industries. I mean, having the so many players and key players in the IT industry. The tech chains is called tech chains. I mean, why they call the tech leading corporate companies in the market. For example, Amazon. You know about the Amazon, Google, Microsoft, and Apple. Is a continuous doing the R&D, research and development, and is creating and innovating the creative products and the IT industry is also setting the trends and shaping the future of technology. I mean, having the Google and there's so many YouTubes also is there. I mean, these innovative products is called the tech change. is the product owner and is a founder of these products. Having a Microsoft means Microsoft is having so many products, and as Apple created so many hardware products and is innovating products also. These are all the current state of the IT, the information technologies. And is a super means everyone is know the impact of COVID means COVID is a most for everyone. I mean, there's a COVID times we cannot imagine that kind of things it happens or not. Impact of COVID-19 on IT trends. In IT trends, we facing so many issues and so many problems in the COVID-19 times. Means it adapting the new normal and IT trends for the post COVID-19. Means we are facing so many problems in the COVID. For example, IoT and cybersecurity and remote work and blockchain adoption and AI integrations and cloud computing. The IoT expansion also is expanding and is doing R&Ds in that COVID-19 times. For example, increasing the deployment and development of the IoT devices and is improved so well of the COVID-19 times for the data collections and analysis and the automation also is going on the COVID-19. And cybersecurity. The cybersecurity is a COVID-19 time. It's a totally is a market down, but it's some companies, some organizations, they'll creating the products and pushing the services also. I mean, the digital assets. So every organization is doing the remote works. Remote works means, if for example, going to the audit and assessment is the doing the cybersecurity assessment in the remotely. For example, the highlighted the focus on the cybersecurity measures is to the product digital assets and sensitive data. I mean, is the securing the sensitive data and the sensitive applications for the organization and the remote work. I mean, we are already about the remote works. I mean, in COVID-19 times, we are all working in a remote works. I mean, we won't do it in the on-site. That's why they'll choosing the remote work significant remote works adoptions and accelerating the digital transformation and blockchain adoption. Means the blockchain is developing an improvement time that COVID-19 wider adoptions of the blockchain technologies for the secure transaction and data integrity. I mean, in that cryptocurrencies are going to the any. I mean, already we are having the Web3 also. Web3 is comes running on the blockchain. Why is why blockchain is a very important technology and future is having every application is running on the blockchain. I mean, the secure transaction and security is going to the nodes and secure encryptions also of the cryptographic encryptions. And in the AI integration for AI integration is a growing of the integrations of AI technology. I mean, if a human being, but it's AI not replacing the humans, but consuming the time. For example, if in manufacturing industries, they will doing the manual process, but the AI is reducing the works, reducing the time consumption. That's why the AI integrations that time is so improved and is helpful also that COVID-19 times. But still now, is some more companies using the AI integrations and developing the AI products also. That's why the AI integrations are very important. But in future, we are having so many improvements in AI and cloud computing, rapid migrations, the two words. Cloud computing is nothing but cloud computing, the simplest form for the cloud services. Cloud services, we have there's so many services is also there. Azure and GDP, Google Cloud platforms and Azure and is a AWS. AWS is kind of the service providers. They're already doing the cloud computing is running on, if example, if we are using the laptops on system, there's so many things we are using, but we're going to the cloud services means we just running on the cloud service and it doesn't any performance. It means we are running the cloud service provider means it's just nothing but our it's a rapid migration and cloud computing is a I just want that COVID-19 times. And the technology trends. So technology trends means previously we saw the little bit points about the AI, blockchain, quantum computing, and internet. These are the major pillars of the IT. It means AI and machine learning, and is the future, and is still now we are using, and blockchain also we are still now using, and quantum computing and Internet of Things. The using for IT trends, emerging technologies in IT. Is AI and machine learning is very simple. What I mean is ML is a subset of the AI. ML is creating the algorithm, and AI is developing the AI modules, and AI models are so many. For example, ChatGPT, and we are updated to ChatGPT 4 and GPT 3 and GPT 4. Is so many differences also is there. If you are giving the text content and they giving the response, and whatever you just created a mail for, they're giving the content of the mail. So many things they're doing the AI. And as a ML, it's a evolution of the enabling automation process. AI is only the automation for human manual process. And as a predictive analysis, things also is there in AI and personalized user experience. And blockchain. We previously saw the blockchain. The blockchain technology is a secure. Major thing is a secure and transparent for everyone and simple proof of transactions. For example, if going the crypto means they'll running the blockchain technology, and as a notes for everyone is a transparent secure transactions. That's why is a blockchain is a very easiest and very secure also. The tamper proof impacting the various industries beyond the cryptocurrencies. And the quantum computing. So quantum computing is an interesting one. I mean, the quantum computing is offer the immersive computational power. Means we are using so many things in the laptop systems, but the quantum computing is solving the so many problems in the quantum computing. For example, going to the IT trends means they are using the quantum computing also. I mean, they will reducing the automation and the duration of the process. And the IoT. IoT connects every devices and the networks of data sharing and monitoring and automation shaping smart homes and cities. These are IT things. I mean the Internet of Things. Internet of Things is so many devices also is there, and future we are having so many things and so many improvements is also is there in the IoTs. Yeah, and innovation in IT, information technology, means innovation means is the A and ML impacts. It means we previously saw about the what is A and ML is the differences about the A and the ML and IoT, cloud computing, and this kind of things. But what the impacts of A and ML means the revolutionizing and data analytics and the customer experience is a interesting one of the. I mean, we are using the A and ML, but as someone know about the doesn't about know about the impact. I mean, we have to know about the impact. I mean, the mandatory for one is the revolution data analysis. The data is doing the A and ML are the transformation way to analyze the providing to the analysis process. The advanced tool for processing and interpreting exacting and the simple vast data sets. That means the A and ML means we are using the so many data sets. Like creating the chatbots and the healthcare departments also is using the chatbots for appointments, booking the appointments for the doctor appointments using the chatbots also. Also using the AI process. It means going to the manually, we giving our data and everything is giving manual appointments for AI chatbot appointments are very easiest for the common. That's why AI is a very interesting and cutest one. And enhancing customers' experience for the AI and ML. And the learning technologies enabling the business. In business side, so many things in the AI. I mean, if going to the projects, for example, in a business impacts, yeah. In business side, there are so many AI technologies is there. I mean, for example, in manufacturing and ITs is also is running on AI technologies. For example, they doing the audits or assessment side and project management software and CRM. These kind of softwares also they build an integration with the AI technologies. One means in AI technologies, the automation, the process, and reducing the human works. This kind of things they will doing the AI technologies and machine learning and the predict the customer's behavior and deliver daily service efficiently. That is correct. One means is the experience, the insights in customer experience, they are consuming the and reducing the human works and human times. Routine task. Automating routine tasks is nothing but is automating the AI task, a human task, and leveraging the AI and machine learning is the capabilities for organization and automate repetitive tasks and streamline operations and they allocate resources more efficiently. Example, if you usually know, I will say about the this automations. So nothing but if automation means is increasing the and reducing the human works. They will already they programmed for AI model some kind of thing, but is know about the how the process and how the architecture, how the human giving the text. That's why they predict the human text and prompt. That's why is doing the fast and reducing the human works. That's the things. And driving the predictive analytics. And AI and ML empower the predicts and the forecasting trends for the identifying patterns and making data driven. So nothing but the decision to the emphasizing the strategic planning and the operational efficiency. Simple. The driving predictive analytics is for the AI and machine learning. The impact is for the impact for the AI and machine learning is means nothing but what means the revolution and insights and automation and driving predictive analysis. This kind of things is the impact of the AI and machine learning. Okay. Technology trends. I mean, this is an interesting one. Is a technology, is a cloud. I mean, if we usually talk about the, what is cloud computing, but it's a growth of cloud computing. What is the growth of cloud computing? I mean, it's unveiling the future of cloud computing. The overview of cloud computing, the cloud computing refers to the delivering computing services. It includes computing services, including of servers, storages, and database, network, software, and analytics over the internet to offer faster innovation. Yeah, it's exactly it's a faster innovation for this kind of things. Means this kind of things is the server, storage, database, network, software. It's a flexible resource of the economic of scale. This is a right means the world of cloud computing means the cloud computing is running on the what means we are using the cloud services means the major things they are going to the server and storage and database. This is how we are using the clouds and the player services. Key player services means is how many servers, so many players and services is there. And the leading players in the cloud computing industry means is Amazon Web Service. You know about the Amazon Web Service and Microsoft Azure and GCP Cloud, Google Cloud Platform is a web array of these service SaaS. SaaS means is nothing but software as a service. And IaaS means infrastructure as a service. It's a nicest one. It's a software as a service and infrastructure as a service. Every service is going on the software services and infrastructure as service. And future development and trends. In future development is so many things. So many things and so many developments is also there in the future trends. Just, yeah. And anticipated development. For example, in a future development and trends, it's adoption of the serverless. It means increase in the serverless computing. It means we are using the computer, we are using the system. Means we are future, we are running on the cloud. Cloud or quantum computing is very easiest for using our process and our things. And and edge computing also is all the hybrid cloud solutions for advanced security measures. Means we are using going to the advanced security measures more. This will helpful for security measures to meet the evolving business needs and technology advancement. Nothing but it's a technology advancement is of the future development and trends. All the so many things, but is the similar things is the edge computing, serverless computing, and the hybrid cloud solution, and advanced security measures. This kind of things in the future developments and trends. And blockchain technology is a super technology, and we previously thought about a little bit about the blockchain technology and exploring the structure and application and blockchain technology. In the blockchain technology in future and is also improving, and still now is right now is building application and integrated with the blockchain. It means the blockchain is a securely transferring and forwarding the request to the server. Is called as client server architecture. Client server architecture as is of the three-way handshake. Three-way handshake is nothing but sending the giving the request to the server, and they return back to the response to the client, and will got the response, and our side is going to be one kind of response. This kind of the three-way handshake. This three-way handshake means is on the client server architecture. In client server architecture, the blockchain is a very mandatory and is very useful for secure. That's why we it's implementing the blockchain technology. Blockchain technology, we have so many things in the blockchain technology, but it's a familiar things is a decentralized ledger. Centralized, decentralized. It's a super thing, centralized and decentralized. I mean, in application security, also the bugs also is there. It means decentralized and centralized. Centralized is nothing but centralized means is networks is running on the centralized, called the storage, and decentralized is a ledger. A decentralized ledger are the data and is stored across the multiple computers. Example, the decentralized means that IT retrieving the original object data. Retrieving the original object data and is we receiving the original data for the serialized object. This is the process of the centralized and decentralized. And immutable transactions. Immutable transaction is nicest one for the blockchain technology. The transaction once recorded and cannot be alerted for ensuring data integrity. This is the immutable transactions. And smart contracts integration and automation self-execution and with the predefined rules and conditions is the smart contracts integration. For supply chain management is also in blockchain technology for the decisions, the transparency and traceability. I mean, if the blockchain technology can tracer and transparency is there in a blockchain technology in supply chain operations. It's called the supply chain operations. And is going to the health care data security. Healthcare data security means we all know about the healthcare is a very sensitive information is there in healthcare departments, and the healthcare departments in future and so many hospitals also they will integrate with the blockchain technology for the securing the patients and hospitals information for protecting sensitive healthcare data and the encrypted of the secure storage. It means if they're going to the hospital healthcare department, they will having the sensitive information about the patients and the patient details. Means that's why so many attacks also is rising on the cyber security and cyber attackers. And cross-border payments. Cross-border payments is the facilitating cost-effective international transaction. Cross-border payments means nothing but is we are transferring to the continent people and the cross-border payment. That is called cross-border payments and the transaction without intermediaries. That's called facilitating fast and cost-effective international transactions. Yeah, quantum computing. Quantum computing is the next frontier for the next generation. It's called. It means the next in future is have the super in quantum computing, but it's still they are a quantum computing. There's so many improvements and so many things also is there. Means is unstructured and processing power and solving the complex problems also. Is solving solving the complex problems and advancement in cryptography. The advancement of the cryptographics is also there, and potential application in the various fields. And unpredicted processing power means what? The quantum computing is offered so many things, like the exponential processing and capabilities by the leveraging quantum bits and superposition. This is called the unprediction processing power and solving the complex problem. What is a complex problem? Is enabling the resolution of intricate and computational challenge that are feasible for the classical computers. So the solving complex problem is nothing but the complicated problem. It's a complicated problem, but the quantum computing is easily solving the complicated problem. That's why the quantum computing is very advanced technologies. And advancement in cryptography. What is the advancement of cryptography? Now the security protocols is it. That's why is advancement in a cryptography. It means the cryptography means you already know cryptographics. So many things is happening in cryptography, secure transactions, and it's also mining process. So many things is called there in cryptography. But in advancement in cryptography, advancement in cryptography means nothing. The enhancement security protocols and through the quantum assistant cryptographic technique use and the robust data production and production potential application in various fields. Previously I said so many quantum computing is that various departments. It extends across the sectors, healthcare, finance, and logistics, and more, visualizing data and analyzing the optimization. These are the major potential applications in various fields. This kind of thing is a quantum computing for the next frontier for the things. And IoT is a very interesting one and the liked one is IoT devices and IoT. Means Internet of Things is empowering the connectivity and intelligence. Okay, is an overview of IT, IoT and its components. It means IoT means so many components, hardware components also is there in IoT. Example, interconnected devices, the devices and the systems and enabling data exchange and automations. Example, we are going to the escalator and the automatic doors is also running on one of the IoT process. These are the IoT devices, IoT sensors. And the sensors also so many things is implemented in IoT. Example, for going to cars also is implementing one of the sensor and the AI also is having one of the sensor and cameras. There's so many products of the sensors also is there. That's called the IoT and it's a components. And current use cases and industry benefiting from the IoT. That's simple. So IoT application is also revolutionizing the healthcare, agriculture. Agriculture also is so many things. One means the IoT devices and is automating the farmers' work. Farmers' work is automating the farmers' work. One means we having the remote control, the devices, and its agriculture is doing. And manufacturing and smart cities is increasing the efficiency for the and insights. For future trends, okay, overview and current use cases, okay, and what is the trends in IoT innovations in future trends? This IoT advancement for including is integrated with the AI. This is the future advancement for the IoT. So integrated with the AI and edge computing. This is the edge computing and cybersecurity enhancement for the most secure and efficient networks. This is a future trend. One means IoT advancement means only one thing is AI. AI is integrated within the IoT hardware and IoT sensors and edge computing. This is the cybersecurity enhancement. The cybersecurity enhancement also is an IoT security. This is called as cybersecurity. Is IoT security. It is also doing the securing the IoT products and IoT sensors and IoT applications. This kind of things doing in IoT security. Okay. It's a cybersecurity innovation. What is a cybersecurity innovation? I mean, the cybersecurity is now the so many innovations is also is doing and still now is improving and creating is also. I mean, in the future, we are having so many things in cybersecurity is securing the softwares and products, the application, our sensitive information also is there in the cybersecurity and exploring the current challenge and future trends. Example is the current cybersecurity challenges. I means I am I am a cybersecurity researcher. So many things I'm facing in my day-to-day life. So many things, and also I helping to some people in cybersecurity challenges. I mean, cybersecurity means we're going to the researcher side and developing side. I give some small example. If developing side, they're creating the and developing the products, some kind of products or softwares and applications, they're doing the developing, and in the security state is doing the complete manual testing, and it's called the penetration testing. For example, quality testing is not, it's called the security testing. The security testing is nothing but if the developers something is doing some kind of mistakes. That mistake is called the bug, vulnerability. This is the cybersecurity basic. That cybersecurity flaws and vulnerabilities, who can find out? That's a man is a cybersecurity person. Cybersecurity is the only thing is identifying and protecting the attacks and malwares and flaws. This is the cybersecurity. And cybersecurity challenges is having so many challenges and is a major challenge for uh, defending the peoples and defending the organizations. And innovation, basic innovation in cybersecurity technology. The cybersecurity technology and innovation means is improving and is developing the so many tools. I mean, in previous last year and previous year, India, we will doing the so many persons are doing this manual process. But in right now, we are having the so many tools is there in the cybersecurity innovations and methodologies. That's why is the innovations and cybersecurity technologies. I mean, if they're improving the technology, they're creating the products and softwares, whatever it is. But everyone, if anyone creating the products means if the product is vulnerable to some kind of attacks or some kind of exploits, that exploits is finding the cybersecurity researchers or experts. This is and future trends. What are the future trends in the cybersecurity? Future trends means is if the future trends means AI also is integrating with the cybersecurity. I mean, the automated tools. I mean, the future trends means if a manual testing process, the cybersecurity manual testing process is will creating the automation tool. If the automation tool they're doing a manual process and previously they programmed for the manual process. That's why is a creating the innovation products and tools for the future trends. This is the future trends in the cybersecurity. Means so many things, but this is a very mandate and very innovations for the futures. Okay. Yeah, previously saw the so many things in last slide and last topic, but in this slide, the tech leadership profile. I means we having the so many products and we will using the so many software, but the softwares is one idea. That idea is creating the one man. The one man is doing the so many companies, the key player and driving the IT innovations. The leadership profiles in a tech giants. Who are the tech giants? I mean, we previously saw about the tech giant company, but tech giant profile is Apple. Already know about the Apple CEO Tim Cook. He also building some kind of A. A is recently updated a Apple phone and Mac laptop. And Apple phone is a Apple iPhone 15. After we will got the update for A integration. A integrations and we're having so many improvements. But the Apple users will know about the Apple updates integrating with the AI and with the chat GPT also. This CEO and Tim Cook's ideas is explained so many things in the on seminars. And is a CEO of Microsoft, Satya Nadella. He's a very he also is a so many improvements, so many softwares, the ideas and the AI integration, AI technology and replacing the tech landscapes. And our and Sundar Pichai is also building the Gemini AI and the so many AI they build now they will working on AI. I mean, in OpenAI, it's leading to the AI generation, but in Gemini and so many AI is dominating is not, but it's very low level AI in the Gemini AI. But is for going to the Chat GPT and OpenAI means we got so many results, but exact result not. So approximately we got the 90% of result in the Chat GPT and OpenAI. But in Gemini AI, it's simply is running and text, we giving the prompt, and we got the simple response in that Gemini AI. Okay, these are all the tech change leaders in our current IT trends. Okay, the technology, the IT trends adoption timeline. In before 2023, we having so many improvements, so many things is that the last year. That last year means the 2023 is a mainstream adoption of AI and ML technology. One means last year is very you all know about the AI is the main a little bit about the AI technology and ML things. And it's although and right now 2024 there's so many improvements, so many things also is updated in the 2024. What about the 2025? Is the integrations of the blockchain. I means is there so many applications. Almost is running on Web3, but it's some application is developing its idea to build the Web3 technologies. That's why in 2025 we are all having it Web3 technology and is integrating with the blockchain. And 2027 is a quantum computing. Quantum computing, we are computing, but in that stage, 2027 is a breakthrough in the quantum computing. What means quantum computing? It's very automation process, but it's a very time consumption works. Okay, but it's creating is a fast thing and is a hashing. I mean, the cryptographic algorithms is will leak to the public. That's why the quantum computing it's not safe, but it's easy to for increasing an automation process. And 2030 is the nicest one. I mean, we are all using. If some people know about the IoT sensors and IoT hardware, but in future we all are using the IoT devices. I mean, the fully integration with the IoT daily life. I mean, in some countries and UK, US already they started to implement the IoT devices, but in our countries, in our the simple IoT is there. But in future, we all are having the super technology and IoT technologies, the IoT devices sensors. Yeah, this is a nicest one. It means in future, IT trends analysis. So analysis for this SWOT. SWOT means nothing but strength, weakness, opportunities, threats. It's analysis for emerging IT trends. So navigating the future. So understanding the landscape of the IT technology is the S. S means nothing but the strength and the innovation and the efficiency. Innovation and the efficiency is the driving competitiveness and growth in the IT. I mean, is the strength of the innovation and efficiency. Innovation means is creating the product and innovatively they build the product and software. This is the innovation and efficiency. The components of the growth of IT. I mean, they are developing and creating innovative is a good thing in IT and level also we are increasing to overall market demands. And high cost complexity. High cost and complexity pose challenges of IT implementation and scalability. Means the high cost complexity. The high cost complexity means nothing but the implementation and scalability is very important for high cost and complexity. And opportunities. So opportunities for new business models and market expansion. If they're building a startup and is going to the developed companies that, for example, the Tier 0, Tier 1, Tier 2 companies, they will doing some kind of R&D. I mean, they will expansion the business and organization for market expansion, new business model and new business ideas for preparing for and is developing the market and developing their own companies and they creating innovative things and started to work on R&Ds. These are the things, is the opportunities and is exploring the new business ideas and models for untapped markets. This is of the things, the new business models and market expansions. And security issues. Okay, so yes, the team in threats. Okay, the threats, security issues, and regulatory challenges. The threats means nothing but going to the anything for whatever domains, we are all are facing the threats. I mean, we are personally we are facing the threats, and as a organization side also is facing on cyber attacks. For example, the ransom and so many malware attacks also is there, and it's automatic. It's the data theft and data leakage and data exposure. This kind of things is happening in the organizations. And security issues and regulatory challenge means security issues and regulatory challenge is a threat for IT. Exactly, it's a threat for IT and system and operation. If attackers and hackers is doing a hacking to systems or IT system and operations means they will exchange the data, exchange sensitive data and leaking and demand for the companies or is selling for the platform. This kind of things and the threats is a major for the SWOT analysis. But in future, we having the futuristic things in the SWOT analysis, the emerging IT technology. So we know it is a very improving and it's IT trend analysis. And technology impact. Oh, it's a technology impact is a case study. I mean, so we previously saw about the AI and ML. These things are so many things. But in AI and retail, it's a revolutionization and retail operation with the artificial intelligence. Yes. It's a case studies. What is the case study of the AI in retail? I mean, the personalized shopping experience. I mean, the leveraging to the AI offer tailored products and recommendation and personalized service to enhance customer satisfaction. Exactly. Yes, leveraging to the product recommendation is the customer satisfaction the main for organization, but he is doing the customer satisfaction and AI integration for the retail. That's why is AI artificial intelligence is everywhere and is replacing the humans. That's what replacing humans and doing as a response. Response means the customer satisfaction. Is that response for is a mandatory for everything is know about the AI. Inventory management. Inventory management is utilizing AI algorithms for effect efficient inventory. Efficient inventory, tracking demands and forecasting, and optimization stock levels to reduce cost. This is the inventory management. And customer service automation. Yeah, is the customer service automation is implement AI powered for chatbots and virtual assistants. This is the service automation. If going to the e-commerce websites and e-commerce softwares is having the chatbot for satisfying and asking the feedback for the customers. These are the service automation. Example, that's why provide instant support and improve response time. Is having chatbot is working. Chatbot is programmed for 24/7. Is live on 24/7 is asking the feedback and resolving the problems. Is all the chatbots is doing. Sales forecasting and applying AI analytics. Analytics to analyze historical data and predict trends for optimized pricing. Yes, optimized pricing strategies for increased and sales revenue. Right, so sales forecasting is also very interesting in AI retail. So yeah, that's a strategic increased data and revenue for sales. Next thing is the difference of blockchain and traditional database. Yeah, it's a traditional database also is there. It's a technology comparison. Comparing the blockchain and traditional database. I means you know about little bit the blockchain and traditional database, but we not comparison side. We are going to the comparison the blockchain traditional database means there are so many things. For example, is a blockchain is a decentralized and immutable transparent. We already saw about in the previous slides, but in traditional database, it's a centralized and mutable and restricted access. This is the traditional database. That means we are already using the traditional database, not a blockchain database. And future we are having so many things, so many is implementing and integrating the blockchain databases also. This is a major difference about the blockchain and traditional databases. Okay, the impact of quantum computing on cryptography is I previously said so many things about the quantum computing, But in quantum computing, it's very super one, but is reducing the human loss and the fast to process. Okay, but in future, I mean, is increasing the fast process, but see, is the images is having so many issues, is the impacts. For example, is the breakthroughs in encryption. The quantum computing enabling the ultra fast decryption current encryption algorithm, but is potentially rendering them to ineffective. Yeah, it's true for is very ultra fast work for the decryption processing side, but it's very is not safest. The truth is not safest one for the algorithm. That's why is a quantum computing. It's safe and the safest side. I'm not saying the safest side, but in future it's not safe. I mean, all our researchers is doing the quantum computing, how to securing the quantum computing, but in future, in exploring the future encryption of quantum era. That's the potential for new cryptographic methods. Yeah, quantum cryptography offers the development of quantum resistance algorithm that withstand attacks of the quantum computer. It also arise to attacks, possible to arise attacks to quantum computers also. It means is a encryptions and decryption process is also not secure, means easily to attack the quantum computers. And this for current encryption standards. Okay, I'm already said encryption and decryption in a quantum computing. Okay, what is the risk for current encryption standards? It's existing for yeah, risk to encryption standards is existing cryptographic system face to face the threat of being compromised on quantum computers, leading to data security vulnerabilities. Exactly, it's a risk of current encryption standard means it's facing the so many threats and vulnerabilities, so many risks is also there in an encryption standard. Encryption is not secure in a quantum computing, means it's doing the ultra fast working decryption process. So it's not safe and so many risks also is there in a quantum computing. And need for post quantum cryptography is also improving the quantum post quantum cryptography in future. Yeah, is right now they will working on quantum cryptography such as, and there is a growing urgency for transition to post quantum cryptography for solutions to ensure the data production in the quantum computing era. I mean, there's so many things, but in a need for post quantum cryptographics is the improving uh, in that ultra fast decryption process. This is a major flaw in that quantum computing for means the encryption decryption process. The main thing for is the application of software anything, but in that process also weak means can't trust. That is a major thing. Okay, innovation for future prediction for innovation. Okay, future prediction for IT innovations means it's a AI achieving human level intelligence. But I'm not sure AI achieving a human level intelligence. Why means a human? I know we are know about the process. Why means in AI it's not replaced, but it will reducing the human works. That's why the AI. AI means nothing but it's automating. That's why the AI, but it's not replaced for the human intelligence. Yeah, so progressing towards cognitive capabilities of the realizing various industries with the advanced automation and decision making process. Yeah, it's so many organizations they're doing the automation process and analysis things also for human analysis and human prediction things also is the AI doing, but um, previously AI is not replaced by humans. And quantum computing, the solving the real world problem means is advanced leading to breakthroughs. Breakthrough is solving complex problem. Is a quantum computing, it's a real world solving problem, but we previously about we previously spoke. There's so many things about the quantum impacts, but in the future, I hope is a very interesting technology, is very interesting and very secure, but is a more efficiently and classical computing system. And blockchain standardized security measures. The blockchain security is a standardized security measure. They are the emerging fundamental. I mean, in right now, there's so many encryption, so many nodes is happening, is running on the blockchain. In future is encouraging the data integrity. Is a data integrity and a trust. That means we all are know about the blockchain, but we are not integrating with the application. I mean, we can't trust the blockchain, but it's very secure and very uh, securely transferring the request and transferring the payment, all things, not request and payments, all things for this securely transferring. And IoT devices surprising the human population. Yeah, it's exactly. IoT things devices is operating at a rapid pace. The rapid pace and poising to outnumbers the global human population, and the transformation as how data is collected and shared for enhance connectivity and efficiency. The simple thing, so IoT devices is surpassing human population and easy in future have the so many IoT devices. I mean, they're reducing the human works and human time is automatically we can take a remote control and is usually on the AZs and is doors and is all of things we can work with the IoT devices. This is the easiest thing and very for comfort and reducing the our work. This is the IoT devices surface in human populations. Okay, thank you for being here and to connect with me. This is my LinkedIn ID and mail ID and my company URLs also is there. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much for Mr. Dhivakar. Yeah, and then we have three questions from participant in the Zoom already read in the room chat. Yeah, this is visible from your section.
Yeah.
Yeah, from Sylvia and Anggraini and also Hanif Pangestu.
Baik, terima kasih sekali kami pada Bapak Ibu dan alhamdulillah hadir dari awal hingga akhir sesi.
Three questions is how will quantum computing realize fields such as material science, medicine, some potential application of blocks and games? Yeah, it's a quantum computing. I have previously said there's so many things about the quantum computing. The quantum computing is for is not a finance, the medicine is running on the so many departments. Means how will the quantum computing? You are asked how will quantum computing realize fields? It means running on the so many fields and so many departments also is a testable quantum computing. It means the testable and is very improvable and easiest time consumption is the mainly thing. We are using time consumption for using the quantum computer is reducing the our work. It means is solving the complicated problem. That's why using the quantum computing is a super fast workflow and ultra fast work. This is the quantum computing and some potential application of blockchain beyond cryptocurrency. Yeah, okay. So blockchain is a very interesting thing. Is a very secure technology for the cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies, there's so many things is running on the blockchain technology, but in cryptocurrency is having the so many flaws also is there in cryptocurrency. It means if cryptocurrency, you know about the cryptocurrency, it means you know. I mean the cryptocurrency is having so many flaws, and blockchain application is very secureable and is very transferable for secureness. Nothing but the secureness for is a very nodes is a secure and is algorithm and is a cryptographic algorithm is the very safest one for the blockchain technology. This is how you can trustable is the blockchain technology for future. But right now, we are so many companies also using and integrating the blockchain technologies. And is banking sectors also they will integrating with the blockchain technology. I mean, they securing the transaction fields and the payment fields. That's why they are using the blockchain technology. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for answering. I think it's a good answer for Professor. Yeah, before I close this session for our participant, please open your camera. I will take a picture on one of three. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, another one, 2, 3. Okay, thank you for your cooperation. Finally, we come to the end of webinar today. We would like to thank you for all the speakers for the wonderful information and sharing your knowledge. We hope this information will be beneficial for all participants. At least we hope to have more collaboration in the future with Hebesec Technology and also DMIJSBU John Baptist University. The webinar for today and here we hope to see you soon. Thank you and have a nice day.